cloud training and workforce development opportunities, getting ready for an historic back-to-school season, and upcoming AWS public sector events. This is The Brief for August 2020, a recap of the top cloud stories from Amazon Web Services for government, education, nonprofits, and healthcare. Local governments are addressing unemployment challenges by reskilling and training their workforce. Community colleges do this by collaborating with companies like AWS to provide more technology education programs. These programs address skills gaps and focus on in-demand jobs like cloud computing. In Utah, the governor recently announced a plan to train and certify 5,000 students for cloud careers by June 2022. AWS announced similar collaborations in Virginia and Louisiana in the United States, United Kingdom, Bahrain, and India. In other cloud training news, AWS DigiGov, a 2-day cloud education program for government officials, is now available virtually in the Americas. AWS is also piloting AWS DigiHealth, an educational program designed for healthcare professionals in IT, digital health, and healthcare delivery to learn cloud computing concepts. Moving from one virtual classroom to another, edtechs are preparing for a very unique back-to-school season. Check out the blog to see how 3 edtechs are using the cloud to meet the needs of students and teachers as they prepare for new remote, in-person, or hybrid education experiences. These organizations are facilitating active teaching and learning, encouraging mental and physical wellness, and supporting safety on campus, regardless of distance. You can hear more stories and advice from universities, research institutions, primary and secondary schools, and education technology companies in our Imagine the New World of Education webinar series. This webinar series highlights how to facilitate learning continuity and student success, deliver access to virtual learning and working solutions, and build resilient education institutions that are able to respond quickly to changes and challenges. Learn more on our events page. And mark your calendars because AWS has many more virtual events in the public sector. On Tuesday, October 20th, we'll hold the AWS Public Sector Summit Online. This one-day event will feature content and customers from the Asia-Pacific region, Australia and New Zealand, the Middle East, and Africa. In addition to Imagine for Education, we are also hosting Imagine Nonprofit, a one-day event tailored to nonprofit organizations. This virtual event is on Wednesday, October 28th. And in case you missed it, reInvent is fully virtual this year. The 3-week event will feature multiple breakout sessions, including content for government, education, nonprofits, and healthcare. Visit our events page and stay tuned to the blog for more details. Look below this video for links to dive deeper into any of the stories from this episode of The Brief, and stay connected to all of your cloud news on the AWS Public Sector blog. I'm Tatiana Posada-Callaway, Public Sector Events Content Lead at AWS, and those are your top public sector stories from August 2020. Thanks for watching The Brief.